Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about IRR, which means internal rate of return, and MIRR, which means modified internal rate of return. So IRR and MIRR are calculated just for to check that if the project is profitable or not. So to calculate the IRR, we have some variables here which shows that project A, which project A and project B, and their initial investment, which is this and this, and this is these are their 5 years of outcomes. So calculating the IRR, we have to put the formula first, which is IRR. Then it shows that we have to choose the value. So choosing all the values, then closing the brackets. So this is the formula to calculate the IRR, and this is the rate. So this is the rate which shows 28%. And again we have now the project B to calculate. So the project B IRR is, we are using the formula, selecting the values and closing the brackets. So this project IRR is 21%. So this is MIRR, which means modified internal rate of return. So to calculate the MIRR, we need some the additional variables. This is cost of capital and reinvestment rate, and this is the cash flow of 5 years. So to calculate the MIRR, we have the formula, which is MIRR. Then it shows we have to calculate the values again. So selecting the values, and then the financial rate, which is cost of capital here, and then the reinvestment rate. So and then closing the bracket. So this is the formula to calculate the MIRR, and this is the number. So its MIR is for 14%, which means the project is successful. The profit would be profitable, and this project A and project B, the IRR is 28 and 21%, which is also very profitable. So this is it for the video now.